my babies. It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell another friend and tell a mama and them, because we is litty over here. And y'all, without further ado, we got a package. They coming in like hot potatoes. So let's see what this one is. What else is in here? They're sending like their information and stuff. I guess to, I don't know. Oh, sugar snaps now. So y'all, lately, for some reason, well, I know for the reason, because y'all, I'm addicted to the 80s and 90s fashion. I'm a 90s baby. But like seeing like the throwback MCM and, you know, just seeing the color, that cognac color, because you know MCM usually come in a pink, red, black, or the cognac color. I'm not sure if they come in any other colors, but those are the colors I usually see. And y'all, I love MCM. I just love it now. So I decided to purchase this from the gate. And y'all, I thought it was so cute. It's the MCM fanny pack. Definitely giving me Bumbag vibes. So we got that cognac color with that gold hardware. Open it up. I don't know why these zippers lately have been off track. Hold on, let me open it now. Okay, so we got the inside of the pocket. It says MCM in the inside. There's no pocket in the back, because you know, like the Bumbag got the pocket in the back. This has a pocket in the front, and this zipper's off. It can fit like lip gloss, hand sanitizer, soap sheets, toilet cover. Like, this is cute, y'all. Get into it. Get into the madness. The only thing that's kind of different, that's kind of throwing me off, is the black part right here. Let me see if this is supposed to look like this. Hold on. This is the MCM. Is it the belt bag? With the front pocket. I'm trying to find it. So yeah, that's what it is supposed to look like. Yeah, so with the black strap, that's what it's supposed to look like. That was just throwing me off, because you know with LV, their stuff is like gold and, you know, hardware, and this is like plasticky, you know, like a regular fanny pack. It does extend. It has MCM on the buckle. Wait, hold on, how are we doing this now? Okay. Y'all get the drift. So yes, y'all, this is the MCM. It's a fanny pack with the front buckle, and I thought this was so cute. Getting to it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.